Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, pine green rare, Vienna Corn Silk light beige leather automatic diesel. Okay, four-wheel drive Tiguan 2 litre TDI BLUEMOTION Tech. It's a match model DSG automatic four-wheel drive start-stop. Only done 64,000 miles on a 2015. Had the cam belt replaced at 34,000 miles. Got good service history. 8 services, including a cam belt at 34. Pine green, unusual, suits this car. Looks really good, I think. And again, Vienna Corn Silk leather, heated electric seats. We can see privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, rear park sensors. I can tell you it has the parcel shelf in there, and it has a space saver spare wheel. Those discs and pads on the back look fairly new. Good Bridgestone tyre, nice alloy wheel. New Accelera tyre on the front, brand new discs and pads. Alloy wheel, lovely. Front park sensors, front fog lamps, not covered in stone chips at all. Nice car this, 64,000 miles. Great service history, good spec. Climate control with freezing cold air conditioning. Fitted mats. Multifunction steering wheel. Very nice. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, self-parking assistant, electric handbrake, hill hold assist. Got the little picnic tables on the backs of the front seats. Got the adjustable headrests. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Super clean car, this. Paintwork looks original. It's not dented or scratched or anything. It's in very nice condition. TDI 4Motion, so four-wheel drive. Cleaning the boot. Parcel shelves there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And under here, yeah, space saver spare wheel jack, wheel brace, tool kit, etc, etc. This side, lovely, not scratched or chipped or anything. Wheels, tyres, very good. Alloy wheels, not corroded, they're immaculate. New discs and pads on the front, new tyres on the front. Just had new front suspension, wishbone arms as well, just to make it drive like new. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows, automatic headlamps, leather, multifunction steering wheel, remember Bluetooth, satellite navigation, DAB radio, electronic climate control, heated seats, self-parking assistant, beautiful, beautiful leather trim, electric driver's seat. What a nice thing. Price £9,995 on a 2015. Remember, this car's had the cam belt and water pumped on once already, and it has 8 services in its service history. Last serviced at 64 and has done 64,000 miles. Ready to go then. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be more than this Tiguan on there. There might be 3 or 4. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube, type in Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll find our channel where you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be lots of Tiguans. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we advertise a fresh car. You'd be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.